everyone, today I've got a new bag and some new clothes to share with you, but let's start with the bag from DeMellier London. This is a brand that I've been talking about for the last couple of months, and you guys know if you've been following me that there was a specific bag that I wanted. It was the New York tote, and I was debating on a color and the size because it comes in a midi size and a larger size, but I decided to go in a different direction. This is not one of the New York totes, and actually I just removed all the bubble wrap. So this is a true unboxing or reveal. So we'll take a look at it together for the first time. I chose to get this one. This is the DeMellier Vancouver tote. It is a more classic silhouette. It's the vertical up and down tote, and it's got their signature hardware because a lot of their really popular bags have this hardware. How does this work? Is it a magnet? Is it a clasp? Or it's a very strong magnet. It looks like kind of like a chocolate bar. It's a strong vertical magnet. There's stickers on here which I'll remove later, but yeah, wow. It's shiny, it's polished. This has a little bit of weight to it. Opens up. Let's see. So I picked this up from Neiman Marcus. I was going to get it from the DeMellier website because I know it comes really nicely packaged from there, but Neiman Marcus had a promo going on the other day. So I saved a little bit of money. Let's get in here. So this is what it looks like on the inside. Black on black interior. There is one open pocket here, very deep, very spacious. Another one also here, two equal size pockets that go down pretty far. And then on the other side is a secure zipper compartment, which is very, very roomy as well, and some information cards. So that's what it looks like. Very simple. You know, I guess I'm a classics girl after all, because in the end, I went for the classic silhouette. Now, in the past, if you know from way back, my old collection of bags, my Madewell tote, it was a transport tote. It has sort of like the same vertical silhouette. I used that for years when I used to work in the office to tote my laptop around. So I am used to this vertical kind of silhouette. This just looks different on the body when it's vertical. And it also, the items sit upright, so it's just different. I like this. I don't have a vertical tote in my collection anymore, and so it's nice to be able to bring one in, refresh my wardrobe, so to speak. It's spring. I feel like we're doing spring cleaning, spring donations, updating my clothes, my shoes, my bags, little by little, sort of strategically. But let me know what you guys think about my complete pivot here, because I know you probably weren't expecting this one, but let's look at the bottom. No feet. I'll definitely do a full in-depth review of this once I have used it. The leather feels really hardy, very, very durable, probably water resistant. It's grainy. It's got that pebbled texture. It's thick and a nice, generous length straps. So I will bring out my scale and weigh this for you guys towards the end of the video. But first, let me show you some mod shots, because I know that a tote in particular, you got to see it on the person. So I'm curious as well. Let's go. This portion of the video is kindly sponsored by Lily Silk. This is my first time trying out clothes from Lily Silk, but I've heard a lot of good things about them. Here, I'm modeling some of their clothes paired with the DeMellier Vancouver tote, feeling very professional and put together at the moment. Let me know what you guys think. So both the top and the pants are from Lily Silk. The pants are navy trousers, really soft and breathable, 100% mulberry silk, and the back is elastic, so it's very forgiving, super comfortable. It has a mid-waist, and I was looking for trousers, you guys might remember. And then the top here is sort of like a cable knit halter with a high neck. It's a really pretty cut. Comes in a variety of different colors. I've paired it with some linen pants, and I feel like it looks very spring, summer. Looks really kind of breezy and nice. The black bag is probably a little too harsh against it, but I wanted to model the tote as well. And then here's another top. It's 100% cashmere, super, super soft to the touch. Really light, really breathable, but warm. And it's got a little bit of ribbing on the bottom as well as on the sleeves and the neckline. Here's what it says on the tag here. Lily Silk is really committed to sustainable production. And I wanted to share with you how it looks with the navy trousers. Wow, I feel like I need to go somewhere. Different colors for the top. And again, the pants, I wanted to show you one more time. I can wear them with white sneakers. I can wear them with high heels, with sandals. And of course, this bag is working beautifully. Here it is again. There's a promo code that Lily Silk has offered for 20% off. It's catwalk20. If you are interested, check out the information down below in my description box. This is another top. This one might be my favorite, and I'm usually not into stripes, but this is a silk twill top. It's printed navy stripes, so light, so fluid, so soft, really, really breathable. And I don't know, I feel like it just works with the navy trousers. You can close up the buttons. It looks good with white pants as well. And look at this. I'm scrunching it up on purpose to see if it will wrinkle, and it is wrinkle resistant. Love that. That's super important because I don't want my clothes to wrinkle easily. Here's another version with the black. So you've got different color options if you check their website. I think this outfit looks perfect if you're going to the office, especially. And then I've paired it with some casual white boyfriend jeans and sneakers. It also works like this, partly tucked in with my little navy Prada bucket bag. I feel like I'm going places. Okay, now I've got my scale out. I want to weigh the bag. It's a little tricky because the scale is so small and this bag is kind of soft at the bottom. It looks like about 1 pound, 8 ounces or so. It keeps changing. Yeah, about 1.5 pounds. Don't know if you can see that clearly. It says 1 pound, 8.3 ounces, but I don't know how accurate that is because look at the bag. It's sort of, so I might have to weigh it again with an organizer insert and then pull it out and subtract the weight. Let me just quickly show you what a full-size magazine or catalog looks like, as well as an iPad. Okay, so I'm just gonna plop this in, and you can see with the vertical tote, everything goes in quite easily, up and down, standing up. So plenty of space for a large folder or notepad or spiral notebook. This is my daughter's iPad that I'm borrowing just to demonstrate. Goes in very easily as well. And then I just want to test out, this is the iPhone Pro Max. This happens to be an old 13 Pro Max case with some styrofoam. I'm going to just see if this fits in here. Oh, love it. Love it. This is the largest size. Oh my gosh. Love it. And then the zippered compartment, like I said before, is very roomy. You can put your passports if you happen to go on work trips and you want to travel with the bag. You can also secure your phone in there very easily. It lays down. Zip it up. The only thing I will say with vertical silhouettes is generally you have to watch out for sagging on the bottom. So I might get a base shaper for this bag actually, because you see here it can start to collapse, and that happened with my old Madewell transport tote. And I use other like canvasy, cottony canvas totes that are long like this because I love the silhouette. I love how it lays against the body really flat. I love how it looks really kind of tidy, but if it starts sagging on the bottom corners here, it doesn't look as neat. So I will have to keep an eye out for that. I'll have to see if they make base shapers for this bag. But otherwise, that's a quick reveal and 30-second what fits demonstration. Now this magnet, I wonder if it'll be different when I peel the stickers off, but it doesn't like stick right away. Do you see that? I think it is because of the stickers, so I'll have to test that out. It doesn't fit perfectly, those puzzle pieces. So I'll have to keep an eye on that. I promise to do an updated review. I know many of you wanted me to do a review on DeMellier London after I bought a bag and had some time to use it. So this is the one. Please let me know your thoughts. Did I make the right choice with this Vancouver tote? Should I have gotten the midi New York or the larger New York? The reason why I didn't get it is because I felt like over time I would get sick of the silhouette because it's not like a timeless silhouette. And a lot of people mentioned that the shape here actually is not as forgiving in terms of the interior capacity because, you know, when it sort of wings out, you can't put as much stuff on the bottom of the bag because the space is restricted at the corners because of the shape. Now, I still love the look of that bag, and every time I see it in photos online, I'm like, oh my gosh, it looks so good, it looks so pretty, but I just don't think it was for me. So I will have to continue to admire that from afar, but at least I get to test out the brand with this Vancouver tote. So please let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you have any questions about Lily Silk. Be sure to check my description box for additional information, as well as the promo code for 20% off with Lily Silk and links to the exact items that I was wearing in this video. So happy to be able to refresh my closet, refresh my wardrobe this spring. Not too crazy, just a little bit here and there because I've let go of a lot of items in the past. So let me know if you're in the same mindset. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye!